Welcome to the tutorial number 29. In this video, we learn about scaling and dimensioning our drawings. So to scale the drawings, we just select a part and we scroll down, and as you can see here, there's a scale option in which you either use sheet scale or now we'll select the use custom scale, in which you can choose, like if you want a bigger scale drawing than this, I'll select 1:2 and I press OK. I'll select the others too. In this also we can change, like use custom, then 1:2. Now as you see, our drawings are bigger. So now when you zoom in to the scale here, you see it as scale 1:5. So the page scale doesn't change. So we just undo this. Change the scale to 1:5 again, or use sheet scale. We press OK. Select this one also and use sheet scale. Press OK. Now to change the scale of the sheet, you go on to right click and then we go on to the properties. Now here we change the scale to 1:2 and then apply changes. Now when you zoom in, the scale on the sheet is also been changed to 1:2. Now, like if it doesn't fit in your sheet, we can even change the sheets sheet size. I can choose it as to be A2 and press apply changes. Now as you can see, now we can move these parts. So you can change the sheet dimensions, sheet scale according to your size. I just change it to 1:5 scale. And A3. I'll have to move back this back in. Yeah. So now we go talk about the dimensioning these sketches. So now we go on to smart dimension, we click on it, and now as you can see, there is smart dimensioning and dimension expert. We click on the dimension expert, and now if we want this, then we need to click a vertex or whole center for this. So I'll just go on and select a vertex. I'll select any like I want. Then I go on and select the see. So it is a faster way to define your sketch dimensions rather than going through sketch dimension and dimensioning it one by one. You just select the vertices, surface or arc you want to dimension, and you select a point by about which you need to dimension it. So this is about the using dimension expert. Now we'll look into the smart dimension tool. In that you just go and select the lines you want to dimension. You press click this dimension. I already dimensioned this. So dimension the lines you want on the sketches you want to dimension it by using these two methods. So this is all for this video. Do check out the description box for quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch and check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.